So on the poker placemat, I did the decorative insertment with the braid with the 3 colors, and while I like that, this one's brown and not a poker coaster. So what I was thinking, instead of doing all that work of braiding, because I was going for a specific look there, what I could do is maybe with a bigger hook, even, or smaller, either way, is do just a braid. And I'm going to use this accented yarn that's a cotton with the same texture. It's actually a little softer, but it has the speckled colors, and I thought that might look nice. So I'm going to just add that accent with a quick chain braid. Measure as you go, so I'll make a chain or braid, whatever you've decided. You could even just lace a ribbon through there or something else, whatever you find appealing. So I'm doing this chain and I'm going to measure as I go. Nope, not enough. Almost there though. So as with most of my crochet patterns, I just give suggestions and ideas and stuff that you can make your own. And so with this little accent piece, I have somebody in mind, and I thought maybe this might be something that they would enjoy besides poker. Yes, it is more of the magic oval pattern and not a poker pattern per se. So there's what the accent looks like, and that's pretty cute. You could go with a different color. And this is just an idea. And I hope you enjoyed this pattern by Doily Designs. Thank you for stopping by. Find more patterns and videos in the description below. Thank you.